If you've ever wondered why you would want to use an inversion swing or how to use one, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa, and I offer really weird yoga for really weird people. We're all about connection with the teacher and teachings that allow you to connect with your true self and to a community of people who support each other on a genuine path of spiritual transformation. Although I wonder about that today. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because in the month of January of 2018, I am putting out a brand new video like this crazy one in our New Year 30-day challenge. On day 18, I will not be hanging upside down, but I'll show you how to do pigeon pose. And then on day 19, I'm going to show you how to do cobra pose. And on day 20, I will show you how to do triangle pose. All things that we will be doing hanging, not hanging, but upright. So if this sounds like something that interests you, then subscribe and press that little bell so you do not miss a single video in our 30-day challenge this month, because why would you want to miss anything from me? Also, just a quick note to remind you to press show more below that video because this is where I leave you lots of extra goodies in the show notes that you should definitely check out. So why would you want to use an inversion swing? Well, I have two main reasons for you today. Number one is that it is actually a much safer way to do inversions. Headstands and shoulder stands can be actually quite dangerous. First of all, many yoga inversions can be quite dangerous. Headstand with all that weight bearing through the cervical spine places too much potential compression in the cervical spine, in my opinion. And then also shoulder stand and plow pose put too much of the body's weight in the spinal column. And so there's a huge risk of straining and injuring the neck in that position as well. If you have any kind of neck injuries, it's really best to avoid headstand and shoulder stand altogether. There are tons of benefits from doing inversions, so they're still really good to do. Inversions will benefit 4 major systems in your body: your cardiovascular system, your lymphatic system, your nervous system, and your endocrine system. So when you go upside down, gravity reverses the flow of blood, encouraging all the stale blood from your extremities to get a fresh exchange in your heart. Your lymphatic system is a key part of your immune system, and when you go upside down, you stimulate your lymphatic system and you boost your immune system. And inversions may also affect the movement of the cerebral spinal fluid, the fluid of the central nervous system, which flows from your brain to your spinal cord. And then inversions also stimulate the thyroid and parathyroid glands and many others of the endocrine system, which is recommended for women in perimenopause and menopause. The number 2 reason to do inversions is to relieve back pain. So inversion swings are a really safe way to relieve back pain. A lot of time back pain is caused by sitting all day at a desk job or driving job or standing all day. And in both cases, gravity is exerting its force on your body all day. Sciatica is caused by a narrowing of the spinal canal in the lower back or a breakdown of the discs in the lower back, which causes the nerves of the spinal cord to become compressed and trapped between the vertebra. And that's how you get the nerve pain down your leg. So when you hang upside down in the inversion swing, like I am right now, you can decompress your spine. And this can provide relief from sciatica, disc compression, and muscle pain and tightness. So just a couple of words of caution though, you should not go upside down even in a swing, if you have high blood pressure, because inversions increase your blood pressure, putting you at risk for stroke. So you really need to check with your doctor before you start practicing any kind of inversions whatsoever. If you have glaucoma, because with glaucoma, there's pressure that builds around the eyes, impairing your vision. So any kinds of inversions that increase pressure, supported or otherwise, should be avoided if you have glaucoma. If you're menstruating, going upside down reverses that natural downward flow of the menses. So please, I beg of you, women, do not invert yourselves when you are menstruating. Now, how do you go upside down in an inversion swing? Well, I am going to show you. First, you carefully sit on the inversion swing. You make sure the base is around your hips and your buttocks. You hold on to the mid-length handles, and then you carefully lean back. You wrap your legs around the outside of the swing. You hook your feet, and you walk your hands down to the lower handles. When you are sure you are secure, you can hang upside down. And then you come out slowly and sit for a few moments to let your blood pressure equalize. Now, I would only recommend this swing for able-bodied, strong, and flexible people. I suspect inversion tables would be a lot safer for elderly people with joint issues and injuries. So if you made it all the way to the end of this crazy video, put "I want to hang upside down too" in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, for pressing that like button. And if you know somebody who would benefit from this video, then please share it with them. And remember to subscribe so that you can get our video tomorrow on how to do pigeon pose. Namaste.